Yo, what's up, guys? It's Dev Trader here, and I'm just gonna go through my entire P&L this week, pretty much. This is gonna be trades that I took on both my eval and as well as my top step. Not both of my top steps, but one of my top steps. So I mean, the first thing we have for this week was gonna be, sadly, on Monday the 13th, gonna be a $362 loss. Tuesday, a 189 win, a 138 win. And then on Thursday was going to be a 188 win. And then on Friday, I didn't trade just because we were at all-time highs. So, yeah, I could have gone long. I wish I would have gone long, but oh well, too sad. Okay, so this was the trade that I took on Monday. This is the day I lost like 350 or 60 something. If I'm being completely honest, I actually don't remember where exactly I lost it. I just remember that I didn't buy in at this candlestick. If I go down to the 1 minute, it's going to change my screen. But it did close above this level right here on the 1 minute, and I didn't take that trade, and it just kind of shot up to the sky. I'm not too sure if I bought right here. I went in with like crazy contracts and then just came back down. I think I was looking for a retest. I was trying to short the retest and then just kind of didn't go my way and I just kind of went up to the moon, sadly. But yeah, that's going to be trade number one. Tuesday, I think I actually woke up late, dude. I think I woke up late and I don't remember if I took the short. Did I take the short? I don't think I took the short. I think market open, yeah. So this was a Tuesday's trade. I believe I longed after this closure. I mean, I don't know exactly what else I would have done. I mean, I had a winning day. Um, I had a winning day Tuesday. I probably longed open, market open. Pretty clean, honestly. I mean, we had a closure above here. Even after like we had some decent amount of build up. Asia, we didn't come down. We didn't close below any of these levels. We didn't even close below here at all. And we actually closed below the, I think it was a news day. There was some news liquidity right here. Close above it, and it just runs, right? We're also approaching all-time highs as well. Let me go down on the 4 hour. Let me just show everything. So, I mean, these past few days, we've literally just been ripping. I mean, these past few days, just literally ripping, dude. Like, it's not even funny. Um, but yeah, what day was that? Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. How much did I make on Wednesday? Okay, yeah. So this day I pretty much took much that day. I think it was a quick long. I don't remember it being anything else. Closed below here. It rejected this rejection candle. I think I longed somewhere like right here. Oh yeah. Fuck short. Okay. Okay. Anyways, on the 1 minute, there was a closure like right below here, and then I think after it closed below here, I shorted to this area. I shorted to like the bottom of right here, and then I actually hit TP. So that was pretty cool. So I think I longed a little bit right here, and then I caught a small short right there. This is a Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay, yeah, I didn't make too much. The other day I low-key lost a lot, so I was kind of scared. This I remember for sure. I shorted this market open. I do remember shorting this market open, and I was thinking about longing right here. Everybody was longing right here, but I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna, I'm just gonna get the short, get out. Don't really long. Longs up to here, but I already won for the day, so I was like, nope. And I already made, what was it, 188 that day actually. So yeah. And then Friday, this last day, I was awake for this day, but I didn't want to take the trade. We were all-time highs. I didn't see a lot of bearish movement, and I was kind of like worried that we were gonna get some bearish movement, so I was like just like really like hands off. I mean, all-time highs. Realistically, you can do anything. You can send or you can tank back down. So I was just like, yeah, I'm not gonna trade today, even though we did have this closure. I was just like, nope, not gonna trade. As you can see, nothing on Friday. Now I'm gonna go over why I took every single trade that I did. For the first one, I believe I already explained it, but after we had got this closure above here, well, actually, no, I didn't explain it. I wasn't ready for market open because I had woke up projectile vomited and had fucking diarrhea the morning of, because literally I had like a bunch of popcorn and like fried chicken sandwiches last night. Popcorn with a lot of butter, by the way. The butter was the main thing. And then so I literally was throwing up in that bathroom, shit, shit in the toilet like crazy, and then missed the long. And so I was like, oh, let me try to catch the reversal. after I felt a little bit better, but it was just like, nah, bro, not that. Nah, I just got cooked. I got cooked in my P&L and like my stomach, bro. It was bad. But I mean, longs were obviously the thing to do this morning. I had just missed it, and I was trying to catch some bullshit because I was, I was like, damn. Um, these longs in particular. Also, another thing, why it is longs. Um, London we already dumped, and then New York pre-market. Usually when you dump during London, another thing, contract switch, build up slash consolidation, London reversal, New York open should be bullish. Should be bullish usually, and we do have these highs that we need to target anyway. We need to eliminate this gap right here. We need to eliminate this empty space. So that's why. And then here, since we're kind of approaching all-time highs. I don't know if you saw in the higher time frame, but there's a bunch of levels that we were kind of targeting on like the 4 hour and the 1 hour that were all the way over here. Um, so I mean, it looks pretty bullish just throughout. Just approaching all-time highs, it's usually pretty bullish, but once you're at all-time highs, it's a little bit different. But I mean, after we have market open closure above the news candle, we have a little bit of consolidation, another closure above, pretty much full send longs. I mean, there's nothing much else here. If you could hold for like a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 if you really wanted to. I don't know. I just like taking off quick little bits with like heavy amounts. So yeah, longs that day, and then I didn't short right there. I shorted over here, but shorts right here because it was a shorts right here. The 1 minute. No, actually, I don't think I shorted right here. Did I short right here? No, I think I waited. I think I waited. I didn't because yeah, it's before 6:45. No, I didn't trade. I didn't trade this. I didn't short this. I longed this for like a little bit. Let me see. Long. I think I longed like right here. Longed like right there. Just took a little bit off. Nothing crazy. And then over here, we actually shorted. I shorted like right here. We targeted like 1 to 1. Nothing crazy. But yeah, 1 to 1 right here, 1 to 1 right here. Reasons for this long right here. I mean, in one candlestick, we have. Okay, so many things. Why it's bullish right here. So many things. Okay, the first two that I'm seeing off the bat is this candlestick pattern, this reversal, this like consolidation, slow loading, downward consolidation, rip down, reversal, rip up, and then we have the closure above, and then we just have this come down right here. I mean, this shape right here alone, this build up, rip down, reversal, closure above, a little bit of pullback, it's just full sends. Like, it's not even I can pick a million random spots in the market, and this pattern will be shown so many times. It's not even funny. Like, literally. Just, consolidation, final movement down, bullish pressure to the upside, closure above all the levels. It's full send longs. There's no reason why you should be shorting at all in this. Unless you're trying to really catch the market open short. But that's literally in like 2 or 3 candlesticks. Two or three candlesticks of movement. Like, I don't know if you really could have caught that. Some people probably did. But then, yeah, okay, obviously longs from here. And then I shorted right here because we finally had the break in structure. And then now you're able to short because we've already had so much bullish movement. And even then, after the short, good thing I closed out right here and I didn't hold for like a 1 2 because it would have reversed on me, right? But what day was that? Wednesday, and then was a Thursday. Caught this market open short. Nothing crazy. Again, I think on the 1 minute there was like a closure right here. So let me just do that because, yeah, 1 minute closure below. Oh, so easy to see. Let me look at this. Another reversal pattern. You know what I mean? Like another reversal shape pattern. But this one, except it didn't load up. We've been kind of in the bearish trend for a little bit, and there was a reversal right here, and there's a reason why too. Let me go on the 1 hour. Literally, oh my god, yeah. On the 1 hour on Thursday, bearish because there was a huge pump, little bit of consolidation. We have to tap into this gap. We have to tap into this gap, right? After we tap into it, doesn't even close below the gap. We have 2 pointers at the gap. Oh my god. High time frame is literally so good, dude. High time frame is literally so good, right? Right. And you could see it too. Like you can see where the gap would even be too. Like there's only like bullish right here. Only bullish. A little bit of chop. Come back down to where the gap is. And then it's just straight reversal. Straight reversal after we tap into the midline of the gap. And we didn't even close on the higher time frame, on the 1 hour, we didn't even close inside the gap. We straight have 2 pointers in the gap and reverse. I think I'd said this earlier, but I was trying to catch this long right here, but I was just like kind of hands off, just, risk adverse. Didn't really want to take it, but it was so good. You could have taken either one. Either one was so valid. If you have a crazy level, if you have a crazy liquidity level like this, oh my god, beautiful. And then this was, I already knew it was longs in my head, but I just didn't want to take it. I didn't feel like taking it. I just didn't feel like taking it. I felt like this wasn't as high probability as some of the other setups that I've taken in the past. Because we're just at all-time highs. We've approached all-time highs, at all-time highs right now. Honestly, anything can happen. But honestly, we do respect a lot of the confluences. Tap into the gap. I think this was a Trump candle, actually. I think some Trump news happened around here. I think it was this, actually. I think there was some Trump news around here anyway, also. So I was like, yeah, nah, bro, screw that. He tweeted something in like 30 minutes before market open about Hamas borders, something. I was like, nah. But we came down here, swept the downside liquidity. That was kind of my cue to like long from there. Because, we tap into right here, close at the midline, reverse. Now we're coming back down to the last of the liquidity. We close above still. That's a crazy rejection. This one candlestick usually does not reject like that. Until after that. After we have this like little reversal pattern. On the 1 minute, there's a reversal pattern. Where is that? Right here. Right. 1 minute reversal pattern. Right. We got crazy pointers. None of these even close below the midline. I just kind of close above, instant longs. We sent for all-time highs even higher. And then obviously we have a little bit of a dump because we're at all-time highs. Right? I thought this was about to happen like right here or something. That's kind of what I was expecting, but I guess not, right? So yeah, that was pretty much my trade recap for this week.